going on YouTube? We back at you. Showing y'all how this hood getting done. You got something to say, Jay?
Yeah, we out of paint.
Yeah, we out of paint. There's technical difficulties. We're gonna be right back at y'all with it though. Panama holding it down. He don't even want to talk. That's how nice he is. He don't even want to talk.
Just looking now.
Looking, making sure everything alright. If it's not alright, all this stuff is coming off.
Yeah.
We gonna bulldog the whole car. What's good, G? Jay got the paint technicalities right, and we back at it again. Check out that precision shading. John's Restoration, 757-713-2277.